In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Columbus, 2026, step by step. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can get this done quickly and confidently. Before you begin, have your ticket handy and make sure you know your citation or case number, your full legal name as it appears on the ticket, and your driver's license information. Also, keep in mind there may be a small convenience fee for online payments and deadlines still apply even if you're paying on the same day. Start by opening the official Franklin County Municipal Court payment portal in your web browser. On the home page, look for the online payment option and select it. This takes you to the search screen where you can locate your case using one of several fields. You can search by citation number, case number, your full name, or your driver's license information. Enter what you have exactly as it appears on your paperwork to avoid a mismatch. If one method doesn't pull it up, try another. Spelling and spacing matter. When your ticket appears, check whether it's marked payable online. Eligible tickets will display a Make Online Payment button. If you don't see that button, the ticket may require additional action or an in-person appearance, and you won't be able to complete it here. For eligible tickets, click the payment button and take a moment to review every detail. Confirm the violation, the date, and the amount due so you're sure you're paying the right case. Next, enter your payment information. You can typically use a credit card, a debit card, or an electronic check if that option is shown. For an e-check, you'll need your bank's routing number and your account number. Make sure the billing address you enter matches what your bank has on file to prevent declines. Before you submit, review the total and note any convenience fees so there are no surprises. When you're ready, submit your payment and stay on the page until you see the confirmation screen. Avoid refreshing or clicking back while it's processing. Once you receive confirmation, save or print your receipt right away. Downloading a PDF or taking a clear screenshot works well. Keep that proof of payment with your records in case you need it later. If your ticket requires proof of insurance, upload or provide it when prompted before completing payment. Use a clear, readable image or PDF and double check that the policy dates cover the date of the violation. Without it, some violations can't be fully processed. That's it. You've located your case, confirmed eligibility, paid securely, and saved your receipt all online. Thanks for watching and take care.